everyone, it's Neil and I am in my kitchen and I've been doing a whole lot more 3D printing lately, so I got this here. I'll show you what this is other than DH0205. What it is, it's a bunch of little silicone different shaped pieces. Like, I don't know if you can see it from there, but I'll take it apart here and so show you guys. So you've got like these, and I think it's got like double-sided tape and stuff like that, and it's like little silicone stuff. You know, rubber piece. And so I got these so I could put them on like the bottoms of some of my pieces and parts as I'm building things with my 3D printing and stick them to stuff. So it's just a bunch of stickers in different shapes and stuff. Basically, you got the different ones, so like the circles here, and then you peel it off, and you can see you peel it off on that side, and then it's a sticker there, and then you can peel the other side, and it's a sticker there. So you're gonna get a two-sided sticker tape stuff. So very cool. So it's gonna come in handy for all the things that I print and stuff, and I got all sorts of different shapes and sizes. Very cool if you want to like hang stuff on the walls or whatever and don't want to spend the time, you know, making tape and stuff. This is a good set for you because it you know, it just has all the tape built into it. It's got a little thickness to it, so you won't be directly right up on the wall and stuff. So very cool, so I like it. So thumbs up from me. Very cool little set, and there's supposed to be 100 of these little things in here. I have no idea, but there's a lot, and it seems like a good set. So thumbs up, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and link for these are in the description so you guys can pick some up for yourself. Thanks, bye.